EdQualis created the Competency Scanner, which enables admin to scan entire courses for lesson items that match competencies within your chosen licensing standard. The scanner uses natural language and associates the lesson items with the competencies by percentage accuracy. You no longer have to manually map lessons to competencies. The Competency Scanner does it all for you automatically. Let's start a new scan. Click on Outcome Scanner in the left nav under Activities. Click New Scan. Enter the name of the scan, select the program, and choose the course you like to scan for competencies. Choose your accreditation agency, which houses the competencies you're looking for. Note that the scanner can scan for your school's specific standard, but for this tutorial, we're going to use the AACN. We're going to set the level to beginner. Now here are all the competencies in the AACN that are in the beginner level that we can scan for. You can select all the competencies or individuals. We'll scan for 3 of them. Here you can set the minimum percentage match. We'll set it to 60%. Click Scan. Click on your scan in progress. Under Current Collaborators, you can add people to help you associate competencies. Just search for their name and add them. On their end, they'll get a task notification on their dashboard. After the scan is complete, click on a course. Here's a list of all the lesson items that were matched to any of the 3 competencies we scanned for. When you click on a lesson item, you can see exactly which competency was matched to this item. After reviewing the competency in the lesson item, you can choose whether to associate the competency or to skip it. We're going to associate it. Let's view this associated competency in the lesson builder. In the left nav, click on Courses and find your course you were just working in. Click Lessons in the top nav and click on a lesson that you just associated competency to. Click the particular lesson item and hover over the right side and click Associate to Outcomes. Here's where you can see all the competencies you associated to this lesson item. You can also add competencies from this view by clicking the plus sign and selecting from the list. Let's view all the competencies on the course level. X out of the lesson builder and click on Outcomes in the top nav. In the Accreditation Agency dropdown, click on your chosen standard. Here's a list of all the competencies for your chosen standard that are associated with the course. To see a breakdown of which lesson items are associated to a competency, click on the Associations graphic on the right side. You can see it's applied to assessments and discussions. You can add new lesson item associations to this competency here as well by clicking Add Associations. Select the lesson and then the lesson item. Once all your courses have been scanned and associated with competencies, you can generate a pre-audit accreditation report which further indicates where competency gaps are in your curriculum. In the left nav, click Accreditation Agency under Academics. Click Report on your licensing standard. Here you can see all courses with competencies. You can also preview the lesson items that are associated with a competency. Once you're aware of all the gaps in the curriculum, you can collaborate with your team and create new course items using EdQualis's Project Studio. View our Project Studio tutorial at the end of this video to learn how to easily assign and manage tasks such as creating lessons. The Competency Scanner was created to save you time and to aid you in your journey to accreditation.